It's finally here, the new fitness planner, and I'm super excited. And I'm so excited that I am giving you a ton of really great launch day specials. I tried to do this on the live stream. We had some tech issues, so I'm just going to sum it up really quick for you right here. You're going to get two bonuses. So these are just for today only. They're not even on this page. The first bonus is you're going to get my fitness challenge swipe file, which means you won't have to write a single email except to change where it says my name to your name, and you can start sending those out. The second thing you're going to get is a case study on how I made $5,000 in an online fitness challenge. So it's a really great way to do a quick cash infusion. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did so you can repeat the same process for yourself. And because it is launch day and I really want you to have this and be excited about it, it is $200 off. So instead of the regular $247 price, you're going to get it for just $47. But it's for today only, for Monday, March 2nd, and it does expire at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So midnight, New York, East Coast time, and the deal goes away. So let me know if you have any questions. So just to be clear, this is the fitness planner, and I'm calling it the Etsy Kickstarter because all of the planners that I'm going to create for the rest of the year, each one I'm releasing every month, is going to be called an Etsy Kickstarter, but it'll have a theme. So the original Etsy Kickstarter is just a dated planner. This one is undated, and it's for what I always call a planner with a purpose. This is for fitness. Next month will be a wedding planner, and then the month after that, we're actually going to vote. So make sure to check your email, and you will get an opportunity to vote on which planner you would like to have created for the following month. So month of February, because even though this is March, we just got a little bit of a late start. February was the fitness planner. March will be the wedding planner. And then for April, you guys will get to vote. I will have a list of all the planners I plan to create, and you can vote on which one you want to have for that next particular month. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. Can't wait to see you today. I will be back live streaming today at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to show you how to edit the entire file. A couple files are missing right now, so don't worry if you go to download it. Some things are just not there. They will be there all by 4 o'clock today. I will show you exactly how to swap pages in and out, change the text, put your own logo in, change colors. I'll show you how to do all the things. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and message me below with the contact button. Otherwise, I will see you guys at 4 o'clock, and I'll show you how to edit your brand new fitness planner. Bye.